Osmo Action 5 Pro supports connecting with the Amflow PL. Once connected, the recorded video will include professional ride data. The recorded ride data can also be added to the video footage in a visualized form using the dashboard feature on the DJI Mimo app, which can better showcase exciting cycling moments. Device connection. Press and hold the quick switch button to power on the camera. Press and hold the power button of the control display to power on the bike. Swipe up to enter settings. Then tap Accessories. Add accessory. Osmo Action Camera. The bike begins searching for nearby cameras. Tap the search camera on the bike screen to pair. A connection verification code will appear on the camera. Tap Accept to complete the connection. Camera control. When the camera is connected to the bike, you can control recording or switch shooting modes via the control display.
Biking, video.
You can also go to Settings, customize controls to set the controller for switching shooting modes or starting recording with a long or short press. Dashboard. After your ride, disconnect the bike from the camera. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on the mobile device, and then run the DJI Mimo app. Tap the camera icon on the home screen and follow the instructions to connect the camera. After connecting, open the album and select your cycling video. Tap Dashboard and select Avinox to automatically add recorded ride data, such as speed and power, to the video. You can also manually select different data stickers to add to the video. The video with the visualized ride data included can be exported.